What are you doing at my house?
What am I doing? It's 5 a.m. We're hitting the airport. We're flying to Salt Lake, and look who just pulled up. I was on time today, just so you know, so you people know. Okay.
Top of the morning.
What are you doing up so early?
Well, we're going to Ireland today. We're going to Ireland. Maybe Canada.
I think Canada, not Ireland.
Well, at some point. Just gonna film and not help. Every time we do this, I wonder, how does all this shit fit on 3 bikes? Will we make it happen?
Woo, we are hot.
So it's beginning right now.
So is this all gonna fit?
I think it's all gonna fit. What do you think?
Where are we headed, dude?
It's not gonna fit. We're gonna go down and find an Uber and get to EagleRider. Hey guys, we're here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We got Mike here from EagleRider. Mike, why don't you tell us a little bit about the store and where you're located?
Sure. Located here in Salt Lake City at 2900 South State Street. Been here in this building for about 6 years. EagleRider's been here in Salt Lake City for going on 23 years.
Wow.
It's proud to say that I've been here for the whole time. You want to go to the best EagleRider location and see the best place in the world? Come to Salt Lake City and I'll get you squared away on the best scenery of all.
I love it. And Lance, what if they go to twolanelife.com? What do they do?
They go to our EagleRider link. You get a 5% discount, and you could join Club EagleRider as well.
And 3 credits.
Yeah.
So hey, thanks, Mike. Appreciate you setting us up.
You're welcome.
Down the road. Well, welcome back to the channel. We are here in Salt Lake City, Utah, my hometown. We're about ready to embark on our Canadian tour. I'm so excited.
I mean, we've been here before. We love coming back. The flight was great. Our bikes are really, really loaded down. We got some weight, but we're going to be gone for 9 days. So I can't wait for every one of us to see places we haven't been yet.
That's right. We'll make our way to Pocatello, Idaho today, then up into Whitefish, and we'll tell you the stories once we get to Whitefish as well. So what do you think, ladies?
I don't know about you, Laura, but I am super excited to see that part of the country because I've never been to that part of Canada.
Neither have I, and I'm so excited and really excited to get this show on the road.
And with that, we will
See you down the road.
Sometimes when we're on the road, we do this.
Just rolled that sucker for it. We get Taco Bell. You gotta do what you gotta do. We're making up time mostly today. The rest of the trip's gonna be the scenic stuff.
The Taco Bell is good. It's
Well, let's eat.
Well, a quality Taco Bell lunch in the books. What's up next, boys?
I don't know if that was quality, man.
Yeah, it was far from quality, but hey, our bellies are full.
So I think we need to get on the road, because if you look over here at all these thunderheaders, I think we could be in for a little bit of a storm.
So it's warm out though, so if it
warm.
rains on us, we'll dry pretty quick.
Yeah, but we might have lightning, so we gotta go. Let's go. How pretty was that through there?
It was gorgeous.
Josh, where are you going?
Going to Zimbabwe.
Why are we here? What are we doing?
Well, my buddy is trying to figure out his baggage situation. He's got some duffel bags, and you guys bring so much stuff. But he's just fixing that, taking a rest stop. We're like, what, 40 miles out of
Yeah, we're not too
Pocatello,
far.
so.
Did you think that was pretty through there?
It was gorgeous through there.
Nice
Really
water.
The color of the grass and the water was just spectacular.
Well, the last
flowers, too.
time we came through here, we were coming back from Yellowstone,
Right.
and that reservoir, Devil's Reservoir, was dry.
It was dry.
Whoa, I'm all over. What do you think?
Well, we have to readjust the bags, which is fine. I tried something different, didn't work out. Kind of a little bit not good enough.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's what happens when you travel.
Pocatello, Idaho. What's up?
We have arrived. We got a little rain on us a few minutes ago, but you know what? Hey, we've settled everything back in. I know how I want to pack my bike now. We're good for the rest of the trip.
What are you most excited for?
I am most excited for eating at Applebee's because Lance is really, really excited to take us to Applebee's.
Wow. What's up?
Well, I'm always in charge of hotels and logistics, and I gotta go check us in.
And we are, as you said, in Pocatello, and this is where Galen's uncle lived. So I'm a little bit familiar with it, but it's such a cute little town.
So we're sitting here, we have our drinks, we're waiting for our dinner, and Galen just brought up a really good point.
Well, I was just saying, like, you know, we've had a family cabin up in Island Park almost 100 years or something like that, and so we usually go up to Idaho Falls and then cut right. I don't know the territory we're venturing into past Idaho Falls, because we're going to stay up to 15 and get into Whitefish tonight and then up into Canada. So I'm actually very excited because this is going to be a new journey for us.
Whitefish tomorrow.
Yes.
Josh and I are going to eat and have a couple of drinks, and we're going to let Galen noodle on
Absolutely.
the map.
I am incredibly pumped to see Whitefish. I've heard nothing but good things. Same deal. After this, it's all new territory. Today was easy, 180 miles. Tomorrow should be a real riding day. So just pumped, man. It's nice to be out on the road.
What are they doing over there? Oh, they're just gabbing.
So we're just talking.
There you have it. We're waiting for our food.
The steaks are here. 14-ounce ribeye, baked sweet potato. What's up? What do you got?
Prime rib, horseradish, baked potato. I'm stoked. I'm hungry. I'm going to eat it.
Lance and I are sharing that prime rib, but I got a sweet potato baked and it looks delish.
6-ounce tenderloin, baked potato, yummy.
I got a massive steak. Massive. Wow.
Wow, he went deep. Wow, he went big.